Yeah, so as you can see, this is the basketball team of the Ahafo region. The Ahafo region's basketball team. And we are here today to give them a coverage and have one or two people interviewed. And I think the world will get to know how far they have come as a team, their challenges or grievances, and how we can make this regional team a strong one. So we are here with the cameras once again. It's Charles Show, Mitch Charles Show. The entire team is here giving the Ahafo team a coverage. So here we go. You can see the men in action, real men in action, real men in action, and the game is on. The game is on, as you can see. I want to see more dunking, more players dunking the ball. I want to see that thing. Yeah. So. Meet Charles Show, and I'm a way.
Alright, yeah.
You're from Charles now, way.
Pastor from Mario.
Mario, you know, come on, basketball team on the Pay Baba Bobby. Now, over to my mommy, just me, history of the basketball team. Any baby person could draw, and some of your challenges and grievances give us for the Tuja.
Okay.
Nebia, Obi War, Pepabia, and I'm Wabia, Pastor or the Bramo. Now they are there, or they are Bramo as a team. Come by and many agents, I was a man and more na a participating or Ahafo region has say. My bar for some days and I'm about joining them for training and everything looks nice. But there be some challenges, some grievances. Before you speak, I'm in Homebra. This is Mitch Charles Show.
Okay, all right. You're from Team Dorcas.
Team Dorcas.
Yeah, we are based in Ahafo. That's the regional capital for the newly created Ahafo region. Well, Team Dorcas started from way back 2012.
2012, the team started.
Yeah, 2012 we started play basketball. We started from Ahafo Senior High School.
More started from Ahafo Senior High School.
Ahafo Senior High School. There was a place to be a motor for around 1998. On mobile
Motor for road engineers. I remember.
Yeah.
Oh my year,
to where they were stationed, because of saying that they wanted to entertain themselves that day, so they made a court for themselves.
Oh my court for themselves.
Yes, to play basketball and other stuff. So after some point, that place was there idle. So we started to use that area, the best way to be basketball. So we started with guys like White Block, Mr. Quab.
White Block, yeah. Mr. Quab.
Yeah, and a Fizz.
Fizz.
Yes, and Ogidi.
Ogidi.
And Chris.
Chris.
Yes. So the main motive now they start here, you say around this area, not basketball anyhow.
Not basketball in the area more.
Yeah. So we went to secondary school, we were exposed to basketball and other stuff. So we were part of it. So about feeling who say that I was saying the science and exposing young to the basketball, say at least. Yeah, apart from winning football through during Saturdays and Sundays, only football on one night. Yeah, but we don't have any other game either. So we started to push for the basketball. Say so the other area, man for money born also will come and then expose themselves to basketball. So we started from there, but then so we had an intention say movie to this area, this current area. Abba, say I had the Belcrum, Simcophobia. So what we did, we said, Debiano, say about training. We have to move to the town near Coach Ogiwo. Now, man, for say, hey, the Hawaiian football or basketball. So if you want to learn, you can come around. We will teach you how to do the stars near that day. So we started the man for the SRC on which we put in. So I'm back to Busia.
It's a most of the Norson.
Near Norson. The
Channel Bar, say no.
Yes.
And I'm for joining more. Yeah, but let's be quick. I say, get hammer
now for now. We are having a lot of challenges.
A lot of challenges.
Yeah, with the basketball courts. We don't have
courts.
We don't have a standardized court. We now say, we are lobby.
We need a low basketball court.
Yeah. It's not a court.
Okay.
There's some keep fit club will be on this court.
Yeah, the first challenge we need back here.
Basketball court. Yes, basketball court. We don't have a playground. And we need jerseys.
We hear jerseys like a whole setup,
like
whole setup, sporting kits.
Yeah, sporting kits, because there have been times I call tournaments or outside, but black being there, but we don't have a jersey for ourselves. We have tried to contribute small, but they say if you need some financial support from maybe our MPs and then the DCs and even the district in the crown, we even support the basketball. Say they will push to the other secondary schools near there, or the area. They also have another area for sports, and also
and the court, we here court, and I'm here jerseys,
and then we need other training kits. Training kits, because we don't have none of them.
The whole setup,
whole setup.
Sporting kits, until you want people to come to your aid. And you're Ghana in Kwani, you're only telling the MPs, the MCs, and those who can also help, like the chiefs. And for now, that's what come to your aid. And as any other philanthropist, this is Meet Child Show. Madam Wabana, the person or catch one, where they were can't chat one now. It is one about the way. Yeah, Meet Child Show. Meet Child Show now. Papa, that's her. Mario, right?
Yeah, Mario.
How organized are you guys? Do you even pay dues? Much dues are like more list of players now. And they guess will be a field and as a court and so on. You can get everybody and as a much dues like to.
Yeah, we are very organized. We have a registered list over there. Basketball and we a new entrance now. We make sure that you register first. We have registration fee of 20 cedis. When you come, you register with us to be part of us. Then we bus activities as well. The chair 1 CD for the training and other things. Then every month we try 10 cedis. We try 10 cedis. But we are having challenges with the dues because a lot of us know so sometimes getting the money to pay for the dues, and so that has been the issue with the dues and other stuff.
Yeah, so they are sending our catch to the public.
As my person make catch to and say, you see, basketball has come to stay in Goso, and we want to move it beyond Goso to make sure that people are exposed to basketball because it's a very lovely game. A person will be there.
A lovely game. A person will be
there. Other renowned persons or more societies in the say MPs, DC, and you for more around now. And some of you are more there. Better basketball. You need to move basketball.
Why should they invest in basketball? Well, they didn't know say MPB, they didn't know say MCB, and our chief bidding the basketball.
Well, this is not about us because when you check the NBA, the official NBA, when you check, there are a lot of Nigerian guys over there, and they start from their various remote areas.
They began from the remote areas.
So when these people go and they expose themselves to those things, now they get at least the community. There's been a times that those people are making a chance about NBA to their community.
Yeah, na schools we be senior high schools.
No, the senior high schools need to be any course. Will be any course. We don't when it comes to the secondary school, inter-school
competitions. More
basketball. Yeah, more basketball.
And it's a MPB and as a MC be the describe shema or more and as a be a chief be describe shema. One of the benefits is say at least every model as a sporting game.
Yes.
I'm going to schools now. Me about basketball and yes soccer.
Yeah, and me add in the crown. There was one guy on crowd. Then he invited him and he was a young guy and he church and a kakaka. But he was supposed to call regional games. He was part of the regional team. I will free hiding. And he was their captain.
Tamana split region, no. Now you're brown for region, as in one.
Yeah.
Now there was a player among this team, captain regional team.
Captain regional team. So what I say?
Seriously.
I expose you to that. Anna, okay, Sunyani, other areas. Now a guy from this place, it's me captain team now. It's clearly shows say if you are supported enough, at least we can have some of the guys who make me pushing forward.
Sure.
Because at least say somebody may have a link somewhere. Into a crowd or handle exposing not to the bar can push the guy towards and link the guy to the other sports opportunities where they are. So what I say, it is any part of with me any opportunity. The guy will come back and then come and help the community back.
Sure.
What I say, yeah.
Sure. Me that's say about Meet Child Show.
Yeah.
Let's have him.
Okay.
Why?
You better show him.
All right. Yeah, now meet Charles so now Moshe. The senior branch back as I see a basketball court of Ahafo region. One way among the team.
Me pass already there's an opportunity out there. Amaya Uba Bitiki COVID. Pass on me the Ishon Nuridin Niza.
Ishon Nuridin Niza.
Pass on me accountants.
Oh, now your team accountants.
Can you know?
Sana Henno. For to some for him. Oh, now for to some for no. Oh, now
the Janice is here. Team Niska be a bit.
Do Janice see a transaction this one?
Niska was it.
Mate. Meet Charles show now. Mene have original basketball team accountant and Rebecca sir. Is it the accountant or the treasurer? You're the treasurer. You're not the accountant, you're the treasurer. I have original team treasurer. Say na munya na esomo sikana mo jejeno. Yeah, okay.
Me da say pato scanner yeah jene dey make say with our best no yeah kakra e bit but unhwe basketball team is full of young guys, young people. Enipa kakra be few guys na omo ye adwuma ankasa
omo sorry na papa basketball team no kakra be na ye adwuma
kakra bi
aso
dodo na no e school for e bi mu GHS primary SHS e bi so tertiary aya no mada ntino ama sika sem no en said am kono nim te say anka hawa e bi awo average team esika na football mu no sika anka benya. But I think we are doing our best.
Yeah.
We love the game.
What's my manager but this summer since 98, all right?
Yes.
Meet Charles show now here. Me dame ho ba me ba. Me be some question back open na fi show na. Yeah, Mr. Nuruddin, one of our treasurer of the Ahafo regional basketball team. Now, se kana mo jeje no, what me dey bibi panyi bi ba. Se sia panyi bi atuka be do so oh mahumu video. Mahumu grievances na matibi. Dena mo kakra mo jeje much me dey ya nti wo se so bi kutu so obi nkran na obabo mo
me da se me kra me ya me dey say we be question because if you say e ba ha say no ya di kan aka say bibia no ya na ye and to state categorically no o share painting ya e wo court so
floor painting mo na me painting design
ya na ye painting design ya ba say boys no ya labor ya na keep time ya ye we nyina pa so when o share rim use wa
rim no
so no ya na ye o sha rim no nko cost cramp no e wani mpa na catch wa do that hoop no nko na kra no e very expensive two hoops no any board no ye metal no we ni nyina no ya na ya o hwe balls I use wa and so ya na nkakra ka ye and with skaka kra na ye no kra ye do ba bi na obi abusia ni bi ho to chema na bibia no so get me the bibua and Emeka say yeah there no
mo de be say yeah welfare of the members.
Yes,
so bi obi nya yie and now be your naming ceremony and obi ye bibia as we are in Ghana no.
Yes,
mo de be koboa.
Yes, you believe you say you say your community like despite say you should our house bet yeah per se yeah pay setters you should there and Meka ni bi say we say you try your best but you be here emwa
mo hia moa
ye hia moa pa
from where
ye can ekrum ha ehene ekrum ha nana me chia wo nana kwasi baafo bosompra
na hemfo mo twa ho hye ayom so hene
wa mo ha nyina
fa
basketball team no is for the whole of Ahafo enya goals on kwa wo say goals ni be
mem hene
yes cause yenya ememfo bi a omutimi ba ha na ye ne omo ye train
omo ba ha no pa
yes ememfo bi timi ba ha
some 30 kilometers away or
yes.
Yeah 30 miles or so
yes and for the love of the game no I have was in the basketball no love na I was so pa but come here say facilities ne ne bi na ye lucky nti no ya ma na Emeka say e drew anopakra na ye ba enkran ketenkete amuhuma oh basketball me person bobo bi enkran ketenkete pa otimi say love no omuhu a omanije ho nti ye best say obi obetimi aboa ye bia no
sure
say ne say ombra na ombeboa ye MPs ne politicians obi a
sure me bo mo chen ma ba ye mo adoye kakra adoye no sha nti wa wo hwe no so wo kuma se o akra o abrochire na person boa basketball team na akonya ho every time every day 24/7 So to me, the half original basketball team.
Yes.
Now, or to me, now even in the schools in the region, no, they can go there and teach the children or the students how to play basketball.
Yes.
Meet child show now here.
Why blog me?
Why block? Oh, I see. I see. Nice. Why big? Why big? Then I will catch fans and people watching you right now. Oh, I mean the whole world. I mean.
They make a show me say ye hiamwa. Na once in a dam akuma so say Ahafo. Towns of Ahafo. Omo for me basketball teams. Say ye per match crowd boy nya bi mo. This ye kosunyan Kumasi ne kobo matches. Ahafo nya team bia no mo match. Me catch one mo so mo develop interest all basketball nim. Ne nya matches abo. Ana want mo hwa court way so a keep it for Adama. And nya court way dey training. Yes, ramping from some boy or member support here. Near it me a court. Me how I don't know.
All right. Meet Charles on the Murray. Why block Akasawi? Me Dano Huma, me bar senior man. Some big men, meaning on my side. Almost Bekasa. All right. Yeah, senior. Now what's your wine? Most of now again we come up.
Yeah, Mr. Friend Mickey.
Mr. Mickey.
Yeah.
Okay, Mr. Mickey. Then I work a farm team no home. That's a cohen farm.
Okay, your team need per se echo beyond Ahafo nankasa. And in a way, no, like there's a whole lot of, as I say, within the schools. You say teach you nankasa no. Schools nina ye bon pa say bia. Be establishing more basketball court in there because going to hospital we are midwifery for school we come court now. Enye kra
enye but enye so nice
enye omo floor no bibia enye on point and
more concern more na the court.
Yeah, more of our concern has been the court. And there's a whole lot about this court as you can see now. So it's like the finishing touches, the maintenance in there. And it has been a time my young cousin land be create your own court. That's like your troll
proposals no
more comma or no. And I learned say before me no. Omo be come previous MP no.
Okay.
And still now no. She
yeah, but so me tell what here. Ahafo as a region, no one represented the region as a basketball team.
Yes, BB sana akwakoye. BB sana akwakoye. But enkabombi and sheda ni within Ahafo communities because of lack of basketball courts and external facilities.
Other towns. If you go to the other major towns now,
there is no court there except Ehani Sunyane. But talking about Kumasi, Accra, the idea, Cape Coast, the idea, you could see say they are more courts. Yeah, but Ehano, there's no unless you factor Kumasi, which is about an hour and 30 minutes or 2 hours. So there's a whole lot. Say Omomo Minibano. Said the upcoming children is now more. Yeah, because when you are talking about basketball, as of now, internationally, you can't talk about Ghana.
Yeah, okay.
You can't talk about Ghana.
But they were going Ghana home.
Imagine Ghana, Huankasa. Yes, you can't talk about Ghana. And I just want to understand as in class of players or more we are not going anywhere.
I see.
So I'm just hoping, say, like something should be done. At least I can't talk of the president of Ghana per se or ministers, but within Ghana and Pennyford woman, at least Adrimpama basketball near the idea. I think say all of them has to come out. Now may keep with a big progress. Emma,
basketball team here progress.
Yes.
We hear the support. Like all hands will come on deck
and
support the basketball team of Ahafo region. But that's all about Mitch Charles show. So.
Okay.
Still on Mitch Charles show. I can't one personality was in the casa. I tell me if I caught you so. One of why Papa.
Mitch as a friend feast.
Feast. Oh, okay. I mean, I was now a ball game in the park. With energy and vigor. Jana work for team and for original basketball team.
As the Union Medical can that's opportunity. As the Union Medical can. As a young starting game no Krumano.
Okay, we are pioneer. Okay.
Na me chama anga some blade the ano. Any starting game no ham say. Ya try another one to so free GHS. Ya try na be do some hard and high half region. say regional games and so high ball Ghana every 2 years we are about regional games of Ghana 16 regions. Last time na 10 regions because of so many for 6 regions in count. It definitely regions na be 16 there. League beer because I'm requested for say I have a team so far so far the team bra.
Yeah.
And
the half a region will have to represent
the region.
This team has to represent the region.
Yes.
And I'm only court for
we don't have any home say
say
Crumpune say ye kase see ma obi sunyane mbra na say Ashanti region and say be Greater Accra mbra na omembo home match omo my mbo no ha no because enye standard
yes
unless say be aye the home matches eko e be akrofo froso let say be sunyane
okay
ne be this say the call also no enye fine
and meet chance na me dan ho aba me ba Mr. Fees be ka bibi na fe the show na ba na we. Yeah, so my challenges no grievances no matter. Now, then I will catch up to
well, the Lord, bit my can say at the ready and the two penny anymore about the companies be like enterprise shops name one kakra
the companies in Ghana
per se the crowd here you find say big companies MTN more network companies no bit remember mobile negotiation you bit when you be more
Tigo
any Vodafone more Biana Newmont the big companies now well around no bit remember at least the negotiation we are court the bit the money out so anything
like if a company should come today to help you as a team. What do you need to
court in so? Yeah, I encourage say people in a bointy. Be all Ghana say encourage at one. Market to be a bit in their boy be a Ahafo basketball team
and your jerseys can be customized with the name of the company.
Yes, exactly.
So Tigo and MTN and Vodafone. Now Omodino Guas. Take a more original games.
A bit while you shoot at the same time they promote almost so more product in the I think say more pay see you see here because Ahafo regional I did Akobo league in 16 regions or say it could be.
Yeah, Ghana was 16 regions. Yeah, from the
you know I represent
more money.
Yeah, yeah, I've cooked a cake. All
right.
It's more and then free paying for.
Meet Charles show na more pay. Meet Charles show so here more. Team here more. Now they have no place to go down to speak to the companies in Ghana to come to their aid. It could be Vodafone, MTN, Tigo. I mean these telecoms. Yeah, I'm gonna tell you the say. Melo.
Na Sprite.
Yeah. I mean the drinks companies know any other companies that come to the aid of schools. This is the chance for you to come and rebrand the Ahafo basketball team. Now I'm from the end to so. Okay, trip was it now acquire in Kayadum. Acquire in Kayadum like something to remember, like something monumental. Something monumental. Obiaba Ahafo region ha. Don't say South Court way company when they day. Yeah, and see. Me that's say about meet Charles show so. Makasa come me manage as a team. And I will come here again, okay?
Yeah, so that was a pass. I say when you opportunity, you know, abesra, you know, you come. I mean, yeah, I was also out to him. The bomb pie say, okay, painful by her now. I'm a DM.
Sure.
That's a pan.
Yeah. Make share. They are going for their yogurt. Some fresh yogurt this morning. You know the team. Okay, sorry. Oh,